In this video, I'll show you how to see your total profit in Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app and go to the asset or account view you want to check. Robinhood says your profile shows your total investing value, and individual stock detail pages also let you track your returns. On many investment detail pages, Robinhood uses the term total return, which is the amount you would make or lose at the current market price. If you want to check profit for a single stock or ETF, tap that investment from your holdings. On the detail page, look for the return section. Robinhood explains that total return is based on your current market price, average cost, and total shares. So this is the easiest place to see whether that position is up or down right now. If you want the bigger picture, go to your profile or portfolio screen and review your total investing value along with your holdings. That gives you a quick view of how your account is doing overall, while each asset page shows the return for that specific investment. Robinhood's support pages describe these as the main places to view account value and track returns in the app. One important thing to remember is that this number usually reflects your current unrealized gain or loss on open positions. It is not the same as your final taxable profit after selling, because tax reporting can use a different cost basis. Robinhood specifically says average cost is used as a reference for estimating unrealized gains. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.